1041. Welcome and have a great shift. X-ray 222. Got you en route. Code 99, all units respond. 10-4, notifying air. We have reports of a suspect that is armed and dangerous. Units, please remain in the area. Dispatch copy is suspect in custody.
Hello to one and all. Welcome in and back into the channel. I appreciate you all coming by. Hope and help y'all out any way, shape, form, or fashion. Today's date is going to be June the 27th, 2025. It is on a Friday at 8:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I am sitting at. Let's dive right into this. Okay, so in this tutorial here, if your scriptputv.net script plugins is running sluggish, all right? I know mine was there before I went on vacation. ScriptPutV.net nightly has been it was updated yesterday, and the LemonUI was updated last month. So as of right now, listen, you are a paid subscriber to go see someone, to update this stuff like that. Mine is totally free. No charge to you, not even a half a penny. What do I mean by a half a penny? Is it's just a half of a cent, and there ain't no such thing, and it's free coming from me. So your Lemon UI was updated in May, and your scriptputv.net nightly was updated yesterday. Let's dive right into the first download link down below, which is going to take you right into your scriptputv.net nightly 3.7.0. As you can tell, it was downloaded yesterday up on this date and time. So go ahead and click on that download tab right there for GitHub, and then your next is going to be your LemonUI open source 2.2. And if you scroll down here just a little bit, it was updated on May the 22nd, 2025. So just a little bit over a month and change, pretty much, on when this here was actually up and downloaded on the update version. All right. So you guys can click on that download tab right there, and then click on this download tab right there and get up to current there, ladies and gentlemen. And once you all get done doing that, whip both files out there on your desktop. And remember, always open up in RimWire. Next thing we're going to do now is we need to find our GTA 5 main directory. I say most of all already knows how to do it. Come down to your file explorer, right click on that, and go to that pin to quick access Grand Theft Auto 5. Don't know how I done that? Look on the top right hand corner of your screen. You're going to see a pop out box is going to pop out showing you all how to pin your Grand Theft Auto 5 pin to quick access. It is much faster to get to. All right, so somewhere inside of your main directory down here, we must create a new folder. So left click, right click inside your main directory and go to new folder. Come down here to your new folder where it's highlighted on the bottom and name this script, SCRIPTS. Now normally I would make a recommendation you all name this whatever you guys want to. But the people that uses script plugins like I do, you want to name this folder scripts. All right. So your script plugins can actually go in there and fall in there correctly. All right. So when you all get done doing that, just refresh on your main directory for right now. All right. Now let's go ahead and open up our scriptputv.net 3.7.0. Right here. Let me make this one ready. Now normally we get 3 files out of here, all right? We're going to get 4 files out of here. The reason why I say that is because on my end of things, I don't know about you all's, but on my end of things, it creates that darn INI file every single time I normally use it. All right? So this is what we're going to do. Go ahead and click on your scriptputv.net ASI, and you're going to come down here and click on your scriptputv.net.ini. Left control and click. I'll explain why here in just a minute. Click on the scriptputv .net2.dll, left control and click. Your script hook .net3.dll, left control and click. There should be 4 files highlighted right here, and I'll go over this one more time. Script hook v.net.asi, your script hook v.net.ini, your script hook v.net2.dll, and your script hook .net3.dll. 4 files highlighted like that. Left click, drag it down here to your GTA 5 main directory, and then simply let it file in and replace those 4 files within the same name. Go ahead and replace that. All right. Now, if you come down here and look at your configuration settings for your ini file, right here for your scripthookv.net, go ahead and do that right there. And then you're going to see an F4 key right here. All right. Have you ever tried to hit your F4 key and you get something in behind something? You get the scripthook.net back. It's like a menu, like a race plugin hook console. If you guys do that right there, you're going to get it. All right. So if you highlight this F4 and type in none, N-O-N-E, you guys won't see that at all. All right. Now, if you decided not to get the configuration setting right there, which is known as your ini file, on my end of things, it did create an ini file for me. All right. So, and that was after running it and everything. So I decided to just go ahead and get it and just go with the obvious and change that F4 over to none. All right. So if you guys made that change, I wouldn't touch anything else in here, none whatsoever, unless you guys knew what you was doing. I'm just going to go to file and I'm going to save and then I'm going to close out. All right. And let me make this one ready here. Give me just a second. And then we're going to refresh on your main directory and close out of this RimWire or 7-zip. The next thing we need now is our LemonUI. Go ahead and click on that. And then what you guys need out here is going to be your script hook v.net3, which is going to be this one right here. All right. Now there's other ones in here too as well. You might use something else in here. But most common for some folks here, it's going to be the scripthookv.net3, this folder right there. All right, so go ahead and click on that, and then when y'all get done doing that, come back over here to your main directory. Forgot to do this here. That scripts folder that we just created. Go ahead and open up that scripts folder, and then come back over here to your LemonUI that right here. Inside your RimWire 7-zip and take all these files right there, except for the 2 dots above. The LemonUI files and the XML. Left click, drag it over here to your scripts folder, and then simply drop that in. All right. Now, when you all get done doing that, go ahead and refresh on that, and then go ahead and close out of your scripts folder and inside of your LemonUI RimWire 7-zip. Guys, that's going to wrap it up for this proportion right here of this tutorial. Appreciate you all coming by. Hope it helped you all out any way, shape, form, or fashion. Guys, I will see you all in the next one. And I am gone. Y'all have a good one, and peace out, guys.